I feel like the reason people want to work with me is I'm about as real as they come. I'm not a salesperson. I'm not going to try to push you. I'm not here to collect a check. I'm genuinely here to listen to what it is you need and help you achieve that goal. And I have fun doing it. I always joke around with people and I tell them I'm easy like Sunday morning. My name is Taylor Jensen. I'm a sales associate for Sotheby's International Realty. I used to walk past the Sotheby's International Realty building in Ancestor Square, and I would think to myself, how cool would it be to work there someday? I know the brand, everybody knows the brand. And to me, it had this allure about it. And I figured, someday when I grow up, maybe I'll work there. And lo and behold, the last 5 years of my career, I've been there. The brand represents everything that I believe in. It's all value, it's caring about people, it's not sales tactics, it's quality instead of quantity. So I'm originally from northern Utah, and I've driven through St. George a whole bunch of times, and every time I drove through, I would remark at how beautiful the scenery was, the outdoor life. It just spoke to me. I feel safe here, it's clean and quiet, and I'm an outdoorsman, so any direction in 20 minutes, I'm someplace beautiful with some adventure to go on. Ever since I started at Sotheby's International Realty, I've been lucky enough to find myself in the high-end luxury space. I've been able to earn my place doing business in Entrada and Stonecliff and the Ledges. I've really enjoyed learning that side of the market. It's where I feel the most comfortable. Some of the things that I value a lot working at Sotheby's International Realty are things like the marketing team, our in-house legal counsel, our support staff and leaders in general have our backs every step of the way and take all the questions out of our job and allow us to really represent our clients in the way that they truly deserve. One thing I love about being an agent in St. George is helping people discover the area, discover new passions. Mine personally is Jeeping. I'm part of the Jeeping community. That's become a really important thing to me, and I love introducing people to that. But also beyond Jeeping, there's endless hiking trails, there's places to camp, there are reservoirs everywhere, plenty of golf, all the golf you can handle, and you can't beat the weather here. It's just endless outdoor activities. There's a reason this area is the #1 market for luxury second homes. Close proximity to Zion National Park. It's a good middle ground between northern Utah, California, Arizona. Even as fast as St. George is growing, it still has that safe, quiet, small town feel to it, which is what has drawn so many people from all over the United States and the world to the area. If you're interested in moving to the area or would just like to know more about it in general, I would love to connect and help you however I can.